नमस्कार। आज आम ओ ट्रिपल एसी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पढ़ा कार्डियोभास्कुलर सिस्टम किछटा क्वेश्चन है। हाउ मेनी चैम्बर द हार्ट ऑफ द mammals आर हाज 1 2 4 6 हम हाउ मेनी 4 चैम्बर ओके has the arm and legs blood flow against gravity and is prevented from flowing back by the extremely low pressure of venous blood valves movement in surrounding muscle the narrowing down lumen এটা হব valves ওকে। তারপরে পনকিজ ফাইবার আর প্রেজেন্ট ইন লিভার লংস হার্ট কিডনি পনকিজ ফাইবার হার্ট ওকে। তারপরে ফোর্থ নম্বর হল হুইচ portion of heart receiving oxygenated blood left auricle right auricle left ventricle right ventricle এটা হব left auricle okay. Which is the best parameter for analysis of hypoxia arterial PO2 arterial PCO2 venous PO2 AV difference 5 number हो A arterial PO2 the term cardiac potence is in the lungs kidney skin heart cardiac means heart the blood pressure is the pressure of blood arteries vein or auricle ventricle 7 হব A arteries QRS complex indicate arterial repolarization arterial depolarization ventricular repolarization ventricular depolarization 8 হব 8 D ventricular depolarization হব ventricular depolarization QRS complex indicates ventricular depolarization vein differ from artery in having thinner wall strong wall narrow lumen valves to control differentiation of flow nor thin wall vein differs from artery valves to control direction of flow SA node of mammal's heart is known as autoregulator pacemaker time controller beta regulator SA node sinuatory node कौन कहे pacemaker 10 হব B pacemaker consider the following statement regarding blood pressure हला it is the pressure exerted by the blood on the wall of any vessel it decrease in the arteries has the distance from the heart increase it is lower in the capillaries than in the arteries there it usually lower in women in men of age D হব 1 2 3 4 all are correct bleeding from artery is characterized by which of the following bleeding of artery blood is red blood is purple bleeding in continuous bleeding in intermittent 12 হব 12 blood is red হব blood is red তারপরে হব bleeding is continuous 3 হব bleeding is continuous এটা হব 1 and 3 12 হব A one of the simplest and fastest test is used evaluated heart function like PT scan MRI scan electrocardiogram total blood profile কোটা হব 13 PT scan হবনি তারপরে MRI scan brain MRI भी হবনি electrocardiogram হব ECG তারপরে ইন মেন কার্ডিক সাইকেল ডিউরেশন কেতে 0.4 সেকেন্ড 0.8 সেকেন্ড 1.0 সেকেন্ড 1.6 সেকেন্ড ইন कार्डिक इन मेन कार्डिक साइकेल ड्यूरेशन एटा हम 14 हम बी हम 0.8 सेकेंड. What is the normal cardiac output? 1 liter by minute, 2 liter minute, 4 liter minute, 5 liter minute. What is the normal cardiac output? Normal cardiac output हम 15 D हम 5 liter per minute. The heart covered by a membrane is called epidermis, Danish, epicardium, pericardium. The heart is covered by a membrane. 16 ହବ D pericardium. 16 D ହବ pericardium. Okay. Arc of aorta lies what vertebral level? T5, T4, T6, T2. Arc of aorta 17 B ହବ T4. Arc of aorta lies what vertebral level? T4 ହବ. Which vein drain directly into inferior vena cava? Superior mesenteric vein, inferior mesenteric vein, hepatic vein, splenic vein. Which vein drain directly into the inferior vena cava? Inferior vena cava कहूँ. Which vein drain directly into the inferior vena cava? Superior mesenteric vein. 18 হব 18 C hepatic vein হব. Which vein drain directly into inferior vena cava को कहूँ hepatic vein. Which of the following statement false about blood pressure? It increase with increase the distance of heart. It is the pressure of blood exerted on the wall of arteries by contraction left ventricle. Various factors like stress, age, sex, exercise alter the level of BP. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg. What is the false about blood pressure? Normal blood pressure 120 by 80 ठीक अच्छी 19 हम. तापर अच्छी various factors like stress, age, sex, exercise alter the level of BP ठीक अच्छी. It is the pressure of blood exerted to the wall of the artery by contraction of left ventricle. It is the pressure of blood exerted wall. এটা भी ठीक अच्छी. It increase with the increase of distance of heart. না এটা হচ্ছে এ তাহলে ঠিক হব 19 এ. তারপরে 20 নম্বর হল হুইচ অফ দি ফলোইং ইজ নট এ ভলভ ইন হ্ୟୁମାନ ହାର୍ଟରେ ଟ୍ରାଇକୁସ୍ପିଡ୍ ଭଲ୍ଭ ଅଛି ମିଟ୍ରାଲ ଭଲ୍ଭ ଏନେରୋବିକ୍ ଭଲ୍ଭ ପଲମୋନାରୀ ଭଲ୍ଭ 20ର ହବ ସି ଏନେରୋବିକ୍ ଭଲ୍ଭ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ. ରାଇଟ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ହାର୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ଇମ୍ପିଓର ବ୍ଲଡ୍, ପିଓର ବ୍ଲଡ୍, ମିକ୍ସଡ ବ୍ଲଡ୍, ଅକ୍ସିଜେନେଟେଡ୍ ବ୍ଲଡ୍. ରାଇଟ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ହାର୍ଟ ଆସୁଛି ଇମ୍ପିଓର ବ୍ଲଡ୍ 21ର ଏ. ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା 22ର ଦ ଇନକରେକ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଏବାଉଟ୍ ହାର୍ଟର କ'ଣ ଇନକରେକ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବୋଲି. ହାର୍ଟ ହାଜ୍ ଏ 3 ଭଲ୍ଭ, ହାର୍ଟ ହାଜ୍ 3 ଲେୟାର, ହାର୍ଟ ହାଜ୍ 4 ଚାମ୍ବର, ହାର୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ଲୋକେଟେଡ୍ ଥୋରାସିସ୍ କ୍ୟାଭିଟି. ହାର୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ଲୋକେଟେଡ୍ ଥୋରାସିସ୍ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. ହାର୍ଟ ହାଜ୍ 3 ଲେୟାର ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. ହାର୍ଟ ହାଜ୍ 4 ଚାମ୍ବର ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. 22ର ତାହେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ଏ. ହାର୍ଟ ହାଜ୍ 3 ଭଲ୍ଭ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଇନକରେକ୍ଟ. ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା Which vein drain abdomen? Which vein drain abdomen को बोल दी. 23 रहा कोरोनारी साइनस, सुपेरियर भेना कावा, इनफेरियर भेना कावा, नॉन ऑफ देज बोल दी. 23 रही जीवो which vein drain abdomen. abdomen कोरोनारी साइनस सबनी सुपेरियर भेना कावा ना इनफेरियर भेना कावा हो इनफेरियर भेना कावा. तापर द स्पेशल मस्कुल टिश्यू माइकोडियम इज फाउंड ओनली in the heart, stomach, lungs, brain. এইটা ହେଇଯିବ heart. ତାପରେ ହେଲା the left common carotid artery is a branches coronary artery. ତାପରେ ହେଲା brachiocephalic artery, arc of aorta. ତାପରେ ହେଲା subclavian artery of decrease in the blood. এইটা হয়ে 25র হব 25র সি আর্ক অফ এওটা. দ লেফট কমন ক্যারোটিড আর্টেরি ইজ ব্রাঞ্চেস বলছি আর্ক অফ এওটা. Which of the following chamber of heart received venous blood from the whole body? Which of the following chamber of heart receive venous blood from the whole body? Left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. এইটা ହେଇଯିବ 26 ହେଇଯିବ 26 B।